Hi, I'm Troy Hughes from Armourine Jones, and today I'm going to show you through a 2018 4800 Sport Yacht. I'm just standing on the hydraulic swim platform, and at the aft of the boat, under this hatch, you've got a 2-plate electric barbecue. We'll wander up into the cockpit. As you enter, you've got a IPS Volvo joystick, L-shaped lounge, over here you've got a wet bar area, ice maker, fridge, sink. In that lockers all your battery switches, nice and easy to get to when you walk on the boat. Plenty of storage. You've got your overhead lockers, fridge, freezer, convection microwave, electric 2-burner stove. And you've got another fridge over here, and this drawer stores all your glasses or glassware or plasticware, I should say. TV, which also goes down on an electric actuator, so it packs away out of the way. At the helm. Got a nice big sunroof here. Getting downstairs for a look. We've got a good sized L-shaped lounge down here. So if you want to watch a little bit of TV and get away from everyone for a while, or the kids want to sit down here and watch a movie while you entertain upstairs, plenty of natural light coming in, good view out the hull window. You've got 3 single beds set up in here at the moment, but these 2 over here can slide together to make a double. Again, you've got plenty of natural light, opening portholes, alarm to the helm. Wander up to the ensuite. Master cabin. Again, you've got your hull windows on each side. Deck hatch with fly screen and lockout. And then you've got an ensuite here. TV to the master. Wander back up at the top. Might have a look on the foredeck. Wander up the foredeck, show you the sun pad. Quite a large sun pad. You're able to fold up and down the backrest to suit what you like. Thank you all for watching my walkthrough video on this 4800 Sport Yacht. Again, I'm Troy Hughes. My mobile number is 0417 006 093. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.